Hello, welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Today is April 18th, 2020. I hope everybody out there is staying safe and doing well. Today's video is going to be about a little update to my vlogging microphone on my helmet. I've been using a Movo GM 100 that I got off of Amazon for $14.95. Wasn't too happy with the sound quality on the vlog, so I'm trying to upgrade here. I bought a Saramonic SR GM X1 off of Amazon. That was $39. Let's see what's in here. We'll open it up. So they give you a little carrying case. Got your microphone and your microphone fuzzy cover. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna install this in my helmet, and then I'm gonna go out and take a ride and do a quick vlog with the new helmet, and gonna see how it sounds in the video. Guys, let me know in the comments if you think it sounds better, sounds worse. Hopefully it sounds better. Pretty good price difference. Do me a favor, if you like my videos, please hit the like button and remember to subscribe. Alright, so after I get this installed, I'm going to see you guys out on the bike and we'll go for a quick ride and a vlog. Alright, so I got the new microphone installed in my helmet. I know I told you that I'd see you out on the bike, but I decided to do an inside test first. So let's see how we sound in the face of the wind. Alright, we got some wind blowing on us here. We got a fan running. Let's see, how do I sound? Do I sound good? Testing, 1, 2, testing. Let's get some wind under the helmet. Alright, okay guys, I'm gonna see you out on the bike. Here we are out on the bike, taking a little ride. Alright, so we're out testing the microphone. Gonna take you for a little ride. We're in Bridgeport, Connecticut. We're gonna go for a little ride by St. Mary's by the Sea. Nice little ride here by Long Island Sound. It's been totally crazy with this, everything going on. Everything, all the beaches are closed. You'll see there's all no parking signs up here. A lot of people out walking though. Alright. Hope the new microphone sounds better than the old one. We'll find out when this is over. Fairfield Beach over there across the water. Well, this is a good test for the microphone. A lot of wind and motorcycle noise. So many motorcycle events this year have been canceled already. It's so sad. I sat home all winter. You know, I'm looking forward to going out, going to these motorcycle things, and it's just all canceled. Pretty windy down here tonight. No parking this side of the street. They don't want anybody parking and walking, doing anything. So, I think we'll talk about maybe my next video. Thinking about doing a video about my jacket. Worth the money. So I'm going to do a video on that one day. We'll do another ride. We'll go somewhere. See what else are we going to do. So this is nice, little drive along the water in Bridgeport, Connecticut. I've been listening to, you know, MC Rider, all the guys, Cycle Cruiser, and how they're all talking about, you know, you should be wearing, you know, high-vis gear. And I'm in construction, and everything we do, we're wearing high-vis gear now. And as you could tell from my videos, I do like black. So I wear a lot of black stuff, but I am looking at getting a Harley Davidson high-vis vest. I have a $40 coupon or credit supposedly from buying the Screaming Eagle filter, but you got to use it at your dealer, and they haven't been too responsive to using it for curbside pickup, so we'll have to see what happens. It expires at the end of the month, but I definitely think I'm going to be riding with some high-vis gear, so maybe I'll do a video on that if I get a high-vis vest. It's a beautiful day out today. I'm going to back off this guy a little bit. 50-something degrees right now. Can't ask for better than that for a day off. Only a couple little clouds in the sky here and there. Sun's out. Alright, so I hope the microphone sounded pretty good. I got the fuzzy piece on, and it's kind of tickling my face, so got to work on that, moving it away from my face a little bit. But if it sounds good, I'll deal with it. So that was the ride through St. Mary's by the Sea in Bridgeport, Connecticut. Hopefully the microphone sounds really good. And I'm going to come up with something for the next video. Like I said, stuff I wanted to do, places I wanted to go. The events have been canceled, so I'll try to come up with something cool. If you guys got any suggestions, put it in the comments. And definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Check out my other videos. I'm really enjoying doing this, so if you guys want to hear something, see something, put it in the comments. Alright, this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.